This is an extremely rare event. My workbench is clean. I've had a few people ask me about my workbench and what I have on it. So let's take a closer look at what is on this workbench. Let's start down here. There's my bench computer that I pull up wiring diagrams on, and occasionally I'll need to print them out, but most of the time I can just use the wiring diagram. And we've got some strips here. Now this is house current or commercial current, and I have, you can see that little box back there, that's my isolation transformer, and it is permanently plugged into this box. And I have a rheostat here. When I turn that up, I can dial in the AC voltage that I want. And I have a current meter, which is very important in determining if a set is healthy or not. If it's drawing the right current and playing well, chances are it's in good shape. And I have a times 10 switch here also for the sets that draw a little bit more power. And this is how we get to those sets. In other words, I just bring this cord over and plug the set into it. And I have a number of parts here, mostly capacitors. And I have two signal generators. The bottom one here is an old night kit RF generator, and its tube, and the top one is a solid state generator. And then of course I have various meters, and that right there is a audio amplifier. And we have various other things here. There's an assortment of dental tools, screwdrivers, brushes, and there's even a awl in there, or an ice pick. It's about the same thing. And I have another strip here that I have my soldering gun and my soldering iron attached to. And let's see if I can reach this thing. I put a little light in there to remind me when I have my soldering station on, so I don't continuously burn up the tips. And this countertop here is an 8-foot kitchen countertop. Anyway, that's what I use to work on, and it won't look like this for very long.